Now about the universities of Singapore in detail. Singapore is a small country, but still we can think about making it a destination for your universities. The universities here have topped among 100 top 100. The two main public universities are National University of Singapore, which has ranked 25th, and Nanyang Technology University ranked at 48th place in the Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2020. And the other this one like apart from considering the Times Higher Education World University ranking, the other ranking that could be considered is QS World University ranking. Here global rank is 11 by Nanyang Technology University and National University of Singapore, and 477 is Singapore Management University. The other QS Asia University ranking 2020, Asia rank, Nanyang is in first position. Nanyang Technological University. Second rank is by National University of Singapore, and 76th rank is Singapore Management University. So now let us look at Singapore universities. National University of Singapore is leading global university centered in Asia. It has 17 schools across 3 campuses, that is Kent Ridge, Bukit Timah, Outram. Okay, and here the courses are medicine, dentistry, music, nursing, law, architecture, and industrial design. Okay, the courses requires additional assessments such as interviews, audition, selection test, portfolios as part of the admission requirement. Okay, and NUS provides broad-based curriculum underscored by multidisciplinary courses. NUS transformative education includes programs such as student exchange, entrepreneurial internship at NUS overseas. NUS provides its students with several student services like Student Career Center, Learning and Development, student organizations. Students can also take up many sports and recreation activities. And now for for students submitting the Cambridge curriculum. Okay, advanced level students who have completed their A level examination should have a good pass in at least 3 advanced level subjects. For students submitting A level, actual results would not require to submit SAT 1, SAT 2 or the ACT scores. However, if they have taken the IELTS or TOEFLs, they should submit these scores. Okay, this is about submitting Cambridge curriculum. Advanced level students, they need not submit for as I have mentioned. Okay, so you can once again go through this. Students who have completed their A level examinations should have a good pass in at least 3 advanced level subjects. Okay, now about advanced subsidiaries level students who do not have their actual A level scores in hand are required to submit the AS level scores. Such students are expected to have 2 A level subjects by August. Such students submitting their AS level scores should also submit the SAT 1 and SAT 2 or ACT with writing scores. Okay, for IB students, these students may apply for admission with their international board students. Okay, apply for admission with their predicted international results. Okay, baccalaureate results, that is IB results, attested by high school. SAT and SAT subjects test scores are only required if students are applying for medicine or dentistry courses and wish to have an early admission consideration. For CBSE and ISC board students who have completed the high school final examination with a good score pass in 5 subjects including English are not required to submit the ACT or SAT scores. They are also exempted from SAT subject test and the English language requirement. Please note, though these test scores are not required to be submitted, in case such students have the test scores in hand, they should go ahead and submit their results along with the application. Students who will be completing their high school final examination after the application closing date are required to submit their actual class 12th results before June with a good pass in 5 subjects including English. Such students are also exempted from the SAT subjects, tests and English language requirements. However, they are not eligible to apply for dentistry, law, medicine and nursing. For state board students who have completed the high school final examination with a good pass in 5 subjects including English are required to submit ACT with writing or SAT scores. They are also required to submit SAT subject test scores. However, they are exempted from English language requirements. Please note, these test scores are not required to be submitted. In case such students have the test scores in hand, they should go ahead and submit the results along with the application. Students who will be completing their high school final examination after the application closing dates are required to submit their actual class 12 results before June with a good pass in 5 subjects including English. So this is about, as I said, about CBSE. If you are not getting your results on time, at least by June you will have to submit all your 5 subject scores. Application timelines generally open by mid-October every year, and application deadline varies for different boards. For A and AS levels, the application closes on 28 February every year. For IB, the application closes by 21st February every year. For CBSE, ISC, 31st March every year. For state boards, 31st March every year. So our result comes in May, CBSE students, right? So for us, we are supposed to submit by June. So keep in mind. Now, besides grades, candidates with outstanding achievement will be taken into consideration for admission to NUS. Consideration for admission to NUS. For example, outstanding achievements would be medal recipient at the International Olympiads, biology, chemistry, informatics, then mathematics and physics, etc. Recipients of the National Science and Talent Search Awards. So NTSC students, if you are good, you will be considered. Represented in Singapore in arts or sports, active participation in community services and volunteers programs, work experience relevant to the course applied for, supporting documents are required, involvement in key leadership position in community organization, sports and athletics clubs, etc. outside school. Up to 10% of vacancies will be set aside for these candidates under outstanding achievement admission. One of my team member is in Singapore, and I came to know she got it through sports quota. I got a chance of a Malaysian team representation, but that clashed with my job, so I missed it. So maybe that was helpful for her also. She had gone for Malaysian tour for a play exhibition match with Malaysian team. So that would have added, and presently she is in Singapore, placed in a very good form. So now about NTU, that is Nanyang Technological University, is an internationally reputed research intensive tertiary institution founded in 1981. Its broad-based education covers science and technology, business and arts, entrepreneurial and leadership skills to prepare students for the global working world. It is one of the 2 largest public university in Singapore, with the biggest campus in Singapore, and the world's largest engineering college. NTU's College of Engineering is the largest in the world, with research output among the top 5 globally. Nanyang Technological University is a young and research-intensive university offering engineering, science, business, humanities, arts and science, social science and medicine. Entry required here is admission requirement vary from curriculum to curriculum and from course to course. For IB students, students sitting for May session of IB examination may submit their application except applications for medicine, arts, education, science program before closing date and provide actual IB diploma results. Minimum requirement to apply is a very good combination of 5S, 6S and 7S out of the 3 higher level and 3 standard level subjects and good EE and TOK grades. For engineering and programs, mathematics at high level and physics, chemistry, biology, computer science at HL and physics at SL will be considered. For business and accounts related program, mathematics at standard level. For art, design and media related programs, maths at SL and a good grade in English at SL. In addition, they would require to produce and submit a portfolio, personal statements and writing samples, creative project and 3 visuals. For economics, mathematics is mandatory. For Indian Standard 12, the minimum requirement to apply at least 90% in all subjects including English, but including the other language in the Standard 12 board exam. IELTS and TOEFL is required. For UK University A levels, Cambridge is the minimum requirement to apply is good passes in at least 4 advanced level subjects taken in the same sitting, either from the same board or mixed boards. Students with good passes in 3 advanced level subjects taken in the same sitting are not precluded from applying. Such applications will be considered on a case by case basis. Okay. Now application timeline is generally available from mid-October every year. The application deadline of which is 19th March. Example for September 2021 intake, the application forms will be available from mid-October 2020 deadline of which will be 19th March 2021. Okay, so to know some more thing about NTE, you will have to click on http and then www.edu.edu.sg/pages/home.aspx small letter. Okay, Singapore Management University is premier institute in Asia and admission requirement is SAT with minimum score of 1280 current SAT format, ACT a minimum composite score of 29 with at least 27 each of both reading and writing, IELTS minimum overall score of 7.0 with reading score of at least 7.0. TOEFL IBT internet based test, minimum score of 93 with at least 22 each for both reading and writing. Academically, students would require to have 85% and above in class 12. Mathematics requirement, a significant number of courses in the accountancy and economic programs are of a highly quantitative nature. Applicants are expected to meet additional requirement in the form of a good score in mathematics at high school level. Applicants who do not have this requirement can still apply for consideration if they have alternative mathematics content background. The School of Accountancy and School of Economics make the final decision on admission. Okay, so here to apply you will have to click for SMU https://www.smu.edu.sg/. Apart from above mentioned 3 global ranked holders, top universities in Singapore are Singapore University of Technology and Design, Singapore University of Management, Nanyang Academy of Fine Arts, Management Development Institute of Singapore, PSB Academy, Curtin Singapore, James Cook University, SP Jain School of Global Management. Key takeaways from these points are, I'll be sharing it soon. Thank you.